Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now, this is the second vlog that we're gonna do from the playlist Exploring Malaysia, and we're going to Langkawi, me and my friend. Say hi, Grace.
Hi!
We're already past the immigration and we're going to our gate. We're kind of lost, I think. We're going to our gate, and I'm gonna do more videos and show more with time.
That nigga on lunch. Nigga got it and ate up for lunch.
She's singing this song since. We're like walking to our gate. We're doing our check-in right now. So guys, today's our last day in Langkawi and we just did the checkout. I just remembered today that we didn't do the vlog of the hotel, so I'm gonna do today. So yeah, we won't show much because we already did the checkout, so we don't have access to the room in the other places. But yeah. Like, this is the entry. You enter here. There's a reception. Over there, when you walk over there, that's where you eat. We'll go there. But this is the view of the entry. This is where you can sit down. And there's like a play area. And after you just go there, and you go up to your room. So let's walk a little bit. Grace is over there. What I like most about this hotel is the view. The view is really nice. There's the pool, it's an infinity pool. we didn't have the chance to enter in the pool because we were full of activities, and most of the times we were outside. We wanted to enter today, but we don't have time. We had to do the checkout. So this is the pool. Wait. This is the infinity pool. Look at the view. So yeah. After that, they have like a small land over there with like some sand for the beach. Look at Grace. Yeah, it's very hot today. Yesterday, no, actually today was raining the whole night, right? Yesterday. There's a jacuzzi. There's also like an area. I don't think we can enter there, where it's just like for ladies pool. So if you're Muslim, you can come here. There's like a separate place where the Muslim ladies take a bath or swim. This is my favorite part. We didn't have time to come here, Grace. We didn't have time to come here, but look how cool it is. Really beautiful. You can see that. I don't know what's the name of that. We didn't have time to go there. I think 3 days is very little for you to come and enjoy Langkawi. Honestly, there's a lot of stuff to do. So we were trying to do a lot, but we didn't have a lot of time. But I think 3 days is not enough. So if you want to come to Langkawi, you have maximum 1 week, 5 days or 7 days. We plan on coming back again. I don't know when we plan to come back, but we're gonna plan something. And yeah, we're gonna like explore a little bit more next time when we come back, right?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy?
A lot. So tired now.
Yeah, we're dead. What was your favorite stuff?
When we went on the island hopping.
The island hopping was very intense and very cool. Oh, this is the ladies' pool for the Muslims. So yeah, guys, this is the hotel. I think we were somewhere there, Grace. There or there? The other side? Oh yeah, there, over there. That's our room. Like there, that area. Oh, they also have the gymnasium and like a playground. I don't know if we can go there. Can we go there? It's over there, but I don't think we can go. It might be closed. So yeah. It's over there, the gymnasium and the playground for kids. So yeah, guys, this was our experience in this hotel. And this is a little bit of the hotel. We weren't able to show the cafeteria because, as I said, we forgot to do the vlog of the hotel. We just remembered now. And yeah, now we're entering on the car. Our flight is 19, right? Yeah, 19 or 20. So we're gonna find something to do. We still have some hours over here. So we're gonna find something to do. So what I would suggest is, if you guys also want to come get a car, because every attractions are very far, right? We stayed in Kua, so everything was very far. So we had to drive like 17, 20 minutes, almost 40 sometimes.
40.
That 40 was the...
From here to the waterfall, from here to the island hopping.
Yeah, it was like 40 minutes for those two. So it's like very, very far. So I would suggest you guys to get a car. I think it's the best because the Grab cost is very expensive. For 40 minutes, it's like 70 RM. So it's not worth it. So guys, this is our last day in Langkawi, but right now we're on the airport. We're waiting for our turn to check in. We came actually very early to the airport. We were so tired and it was raining, so we were like, oh, just better go to the airport. Let's not do another activity, because if it's raining we can get wet and etc. So we just came to the airport. But I realized that I was here, and I realized that I didn't do transitional videos from one place to another, so I'm just gonna do them right now. And yeah, for the first day, which was the first full day here in Langkawi, what we did was we went to the we went to the Temurun Waterfalls, but we went back because we were so scared, because it was full of monkeys. So we didn't want to try and risk it, because we were so scared and we were the only ones there. So we just went back. Hi guys, so this is the first day in Langkawi. I wasn't able to film a lot because we were so tired yesterday. We also went out to eat, and after that we we low-key enjoyed the duty free.
I'm trying to get like an aesthetic picture.
She's trying to get an aesthetic picture. We enjoyed the duty free, and after we were tired, so we just slept and we woke up today. The plan that we have today is to enjoy the Langkawi Geopark, to Temurun, I think is the name, Temurun Waterfalls. So yeah, I'll show you guys a little bit about how the waterfall is, and I'll show you, I'm gonna do a vlog here around the area and everything. So yeah, look at Grace there trying to do her aesthetic video or picture. We're all done, we're so tired, it didn't work. So guys, this is what you see in the entrance. This are the species of, I think it's lizard. Shit, they're flying lizard, Grace. Grace! They're flying lizards.
The fuck is that? No.
They're flying lizards. No, bruh.
When we go inside.
Grace is mad. Grace is low-key scared now. So they have that, the meaning of forest. They have this. We're technically here, and we need to do all of this. Go there. Taman Puraban.
I saw a monkey.
You saw a monkey. She just saw a monkey, guys.
Oh my god. Oh, no.
Welcome to Langkawi.
They're literally.
And we're alone over here. There's nobody. We need to go, Grace. You're letting me go in front. I want to go, but let's go, Grace. Where? Where? Shit! They're over there! Yeah. Grace is scared of the monkeys. I'm also scared of the monkeys. Ah! They're jumping! Grace!
That's what I was trying to tell you.
Give me your hand and let's just try and pass. Maintain calm. Can you guys see the monkey? Yeah. There's a lot of monkeys. A lot of monkeys. Jesus Christ. Should we just go, Grace? Oh shit, there's more there in front.
Monkeys. Oh my god.
Grace is saying that they're chimpanzees. So guys, we did a pause right now. We're still here in the first place. We still didn't even go to the waterfall because, as you see, where is it? There's monkeys, but I cannot be able to show you guys. But there's monkeys all around the place. So we're low-key scared. Grace is literally searching on her phone if we can go up with monkeys, yes or no.
Okay, we can go up, but then basically we're not supposed to make eye contact. Like if we don't look at them, they won't look at us, and we're supposed to show them we have empty hands. Or else they'll think we have food. So it's like, don't run, don't make noise, and just leave them alone.
Okay guys,
And
so
don't look at them.
we need to go up. So what we need to do is do not run. Don't look at them. Don't have nothing in your hand. So I think I'll stop the video for a minute while.
Just don't look at them. Don't make eye contact.
Okay. Let's go.
This reminds me of a horror movie I watched with my sister. You couldn't make eye contact with the people. No, Ola. They think we have food, okay?
Guys, we had to come back outside because Grace is scared. I am scared. Grace is low-key panicked.
You told me the monkey was next to me. Okay, bye.
So guys, we had to come back to the car. I don't think we might go today. We need to gain a little bit of courage because there's a lot of monkeys.
No. It was a no for me.
Grace was done. Grace was like, no.
No.
And the monkeys were like coming near to Grace. Like not that far. So no. When are we coming back, Grace?
Tomorrow.
Alone?
No, with someone, with company. Not coming
No,
back
low-key,
here.
if you guys want to come in a big bunch of people and like people that you can trust, because low-key,
It's scary.
it's scary. We weren't even able to go up to the final station. We just reached one station, and when we reached that one station, it was full of monkeys, so we couldn't do no more shit. So we chose to come back another day, and we chose to come back to the car and see what we're gonna do late after on. Actually, not after on, like see what we're gonna do now, because this was our activity for today, right? So now we need to change everything and see what we're gonna do. But when we went back, we chose to go to another beach. I forgot the name of the beach, so I'm just gonna include here in the video on the edit when I'm starting to edit the videos. So we went to a beach and we spent the day on the beach. And guys, look at the view of the beach, the islands.